Yeah, hello everybody. So, welcome to episode, which episode I think? Five, are you sure?
Yeah.
The fifth episode, yeah. So, if you're not following my social media, you should, because we got a new rebuild bike, Martina's bike. It's a Honda CB650F. So it has been in a crash. It's 2018 model, so something new in the garage. A new update. My old tracksuit is up there, so it's really nice. Reminding me of everything. The pistons which I broke, offering to the gods. And yeah, so we're gonna have a series on this bike, but today we're gonna do the MT. I think the plan is today to respray the pipes in black. And if we have time, I think I'll try to, I'll just change this thingamajiggy. And I don't know, I have a lot of parts there, but I have to paint the frame, and after the frame, I think I'm gonna do it. Last week I ordered my carbon parts, so I'm really excited. I'm waiting for them a lot. So this here, wait, I have the old part somewhere. Wait, I think it's it's really deep. Can't show you, but I think you know the fake carbon shit. So it's gonna be real carbon. Thinking I'm putting carbon in here, in the back, and the headlight bracket, not the brackets, but fairings. I don't know. I ordered the new headlights, a red rear shock, because it's gonna go really nice. This frame is gonna be red, by the way. So don't look at it now and think, why do you want it red? It's gonna be red. I'm gonna powder coat this, but I don't know when. So yeah, we're gonna get started to take off the exhaust. And yeah. parts. Come. This is how the exhaust looks. Everything looks nice. So we're gonna start painting. This is my little paint booth, which I made.
Look what you had, now you're sad. Laying in bed, thinking I had. Walking around, feeling so down. Hearing them sounds, sending help jobs. Bitch, you lost up, go back to dump. Where you came from, nobody dumb. Bitch, you lost up, bitch, you lost up. Hey, yeah, bitch, you lost up. Look what you had, now you're sad. Laying in bed, thinking I had. Walking around, feeling so down. Bitch, you lost up, what the fuck is on? Bitch, you gonna do that shit alone. What do you mean? I can never talk to business like you. Gotta make this all clean. Head is full of hot steam. Girl, you like it in a dream. Tell me what it means. Do I like it when it's real? I'm just trying to keep it real. Biggest love to my team. What a real feeling. Look what you had, now you're sad. Laying in bed, thinking I had. Walking around, feeling so down. Hearing them sounds, sending help jobs. Bitch, you lost up, go back to dump. Where you came from, nobody dumb. Bitch, you lost up, bitch, you lost up. Ayy. Look what you had, now you're sad. Laying in bed, thinking I had. Walking around, feeling so down. Hearing them sounds, sending help jobs. Bitch, you lost up, go back to dump. Where you came from, nobody dumb. Bitch, you lost up, bitch, you lost up. Hey, yeah, bitch, you lost up.
So when the first coat is done, we can go outside.
Fresh air. So yeah. So I'm gonna take the mic. Put it over here. So yeah, we sanded it down with 800 grit, and after that we just cleaned it, put it in, just sprayed it. The first coat is really light. I always like to go very light, and after that go a little bit stronger. So in 15 minutes we're gonna do the second coat, and I think I'm gonna do 4 coats and check how is it going. So, and if the temperature goes down, we're gonna put the heater there. Tinas is not used to cameras. It's really hard for him. So don't worry, he'll get used to it. So yeah, so now we're gonna just chill for 15 minutes, and yeah. So see you on the second coat. So I'm gonna do the second coat a bit more harder. So yeah, that's it. So we finished up coat. And yeah, I laid out some parts, so we're gonna cut to when I'm doing some things on the MT. So see you then. So you thought I gave up? Yes. But nah, to be honest, today we came with Arturas, and we thought our heads how to put this damper. So it's real. The Chinese guy told me that it's really easy. No, it's fucking not. For first, I don't know why you need this, but I didn't use it. So this is for spares. I don't know. So if you want to know how to put it, you get this bracket. This is for the speedometer to extend it. Because if you put on the stock, it rubs to your damper, steering damper. But whatever. So let me get up here. Okay. So to put it in simple ways, there's a bracket, this bracket. You mount it to your handlebars. You have your screws. You just tight it down, and it's all good. Then this bracket goes to your damper, and that's easy. When you're tightening this, you have to take out the damper, choose your place, and then tighten this in here. Like there's a nut, so there's a screw, so you tighten the screw there. When you adjust your damper to your liking, where it doesn't hit, for me it's like one finger, so you just tighten this down. And I thought that you have to do a lot of stuff here, but not so much. So this side goes here, the other side goes there. It's pretty simple. It wasn't really hard, but like I didn't find any video, any information how to put this damper. So all who is trying to put the damper on, it's really hard when nobody's done it. But that's why I'm doing this video, to help some people out, like me. I would gladly appreciate if I would find this. So this goes in the stock way. They give you a very long bolt, really long bolt, but you don't need it. So, well, you just put the bolt that they gave you. I changed the nut from this to my own because I don't like these nuts. And this is the original tank, I don't know, screw. So yeah, this is how you just mount it. Nothing really special. Like, it's the second day. I thought that I finished yesterday, but I didn't. So yeah, so today I got my steering stem because mine was broken. It's still broken. Like over here, you see, there's no stopper. So I'll have to powder coat it and then put it on. And I got a red rear shock. I think we're gonna go to rebuild it because it has 16,000 miles. So it'd be nice just to rebuild it for because I'm gonna have this bike for a pretty long time. So yeah. In all, everybody's looking at me strangely. Oh, these are strangely because I painted these, but now I'm thinking I really want to turbo this bike, but don't know. I'm still deciding. Should I put a turbo on it or should I not? So yeah, I thought yesterday I finished, but no, today I finished the damper. So it was a big achievement for me, a really big one. So yeah, so now I'm gonna finish the video up. So if you like this video, leave a like. Comment down below. What do you think about the steering damper, this Chinese one? It's a bit flimsy, but it costs like 80 euros compared to a GPR or Ohlins, which costs 500, 600 euros. And I'm just gonna use it not at a track. This bike is just for streets. So it should be good for street. So yeah, see you later.